shelf.
Guilty pleasure night. Kirsten's having hollow butt, and I don't like it. And I am a fiend for a good chili dog when I get the opportunity. Tonight is the night. But I'm not going to do a video about just like an ordinary chili dog. That would be absolutely stupid. Anyone who could put their shoes on the right feet can make a chili dog. So we're going to make the chili, and then we're going to make a chili dog.
Ooh. Ooh.
And we took it the extra step. We ground the beef.
Yep.
If you haven't seen the video, we grind our own meat. So I'm going to use my homemade ground beef. Best hot dogs you can buy ever.
They are.
I don't care what store you shop at. If there's a Safeway nearby, these are the ones.
Yep, I agree.
We got some good buns going. So here's what we'll do. I will cook off our ground beef with a little bit of salt and pepper in it. Mm-hmm. Let's talk seasoning.
Okay.
Okay. So I've got a whole tablespoon of pepper and about a little over a half a tablespoon of salt. Mm-hmm. Okay.
You got a lot going on here.
Yeah, let me see if I'm going to screw this up. Okay. Tablespoon of chili powder, half tablespoon of granulated garlic, a tablespoon of cumin, a teaspoon of cayenne for heat, teaspoon of oregano, and this was about a half of a tablespoon of granulated onion because I don't cook with onions.
Okay.
So we'll start off by sweating down a red, a green bell pepper, and a jalapeno. Mm-hmm. And then once that's sweated down, we'll cook the meat, add it to the jalapeno mixture, come in with some beef broth and some chili paste. I almost went without a mistake. Tomato paste, diced tomatoes. Mm-hmm. We've got chili beans and just regular kidneys, which we won't rinse the chili beans, but we will rinse the kidneys. Dump all the goodness in, and then I haven't tried this yet.
I was going to say, what's that hiding?
Well, you know, like if you go to Wiener Schnitzel, which is not a good chili dog, but you know you're going to get like some goopy
cheese. So you're going to try cheese? I'm
going to try it, and if I don't like it right out the gate, I might spruce it. And if I don't like that, I'm going to can it, and then I'll just use like cheddar. Shredded cheddar over the top.
We had it, so why not? So
yeah, that's pretty much it. And seasoning goes in near the end before the beans. Beans will go in last. We'll really cook off the meat in the tomato sauce and everything to try and break it down so you get like that almost no bean chili.
Yeah.
Before we add beans
gotcha.
And make bean chili. Okay.
Awesome. Booyah. He's about to go in.
Yeah, I don't know where to begin because it's really just going to get all over my face and it's so hot.
Should we wait a minute?
No, I'm just going to do it.
Okay.
All right.
He's
baby.
so excited.
Uh-oh.
Very messy. Okay. Wow.
Okay. I can talk now.
Okay.
It was hotter
Then
than I had hoped. But, dude, you should just skip your halibut. That good.
Looks a little messy, but
I don't care.
bomb.
I'm eating the whole thing.
Good job.